Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to clean snail. Some of you love snail a lot, but you don't like to do the work. I'm going to show you, it's really very easy. So I'm going to be using sea salt, lime and warm water to clean it. If you have alum, you can use it. I prefer alum, but because I don't have alum right now, I'm going to be using limes, sea salt, and you can use any salt. You can use table salt too, it works. So I'll be using the salt and the lime to clean it. First of all, you have to cut it like this, spread it open, then use your lime and your salt to scrub it. This snail is a little bit clean, I'm not gonna lie to you. I bought this from the store. They already washed it to an extent, but it's still slimy. It's not really clean. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. So I'll use it to clean it. I prefer the sea salt because the sea salt is very abrasive. You can scrub it properly, then plus the property in the salt and the lime. So I still like to clean it. I remove all those undesirable stuff. I'm not gonna lie to you, I only love the fleshy part of the snail. The other part I don't really eat it. So this is how you clean your snails in case you don't know how to clean it and you love to eat it. I'm gonna be repeating all this till I'm done to the end, so it's just repetition of what I'm doing right now. So let me use this opportunity to welcome those viewing my video for the first time. If you are new to my channel and you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell. Please like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. And also let me give a quick shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. So all the lovers of Congo meat and the lovers of pepper snail, come and learn how to clean snail. So this is the last snail. I'm almost done. As you can see, it's slimy. See, this part is really slimy. I'm gonna use the salt to scrub it, and I'll also use the lime to see. It's still slimy. So don't just go by, oh, it's already washed, it's bought from the store, that means it is clean. You can see the liquid in the tray. It is very dirty. So this is how you wash your snail clean. But I'll still show you what I do. There are some parts that I really don't like. I trim it off. Whatever you don't like, you can remove. I don't really like. See, it is clean. As you can see, clean right now. It is no longer slimy. Many people don't like snail because of the sliminess. But when you wash it properly, you can enjoy it. It's not slimy when you wash it properly. See, very, very clean. They are looking cleaner, brighter and fresher. So I'm just gonna rinse it off and come and start trimming all those undesirable parts. You don't have to use a scissors. You can use your hand, you can use a knife to do it. If I see the head, I trim the head off. And anything I don't like, really, I like I told you earlier, I only eat the fleshy part. The other things I don't really eat them. I throw them away. So whatever you like, you save. Whatever you don't like, you trim it off. I'm sorry, I did not notice that I was walking out of focus, but you understand what I'm doing. I am just trimming off all those things that don't really look nice. So just a quick reminder, if you are still watching the video up to this moment and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell, and most importantly, please share the video, like it. Thank you and God bless you. All done. Some people like it this way, but I prefer it this way. See, some people like the intestine or whatever they call those parts, but do whatever you like. So this is how you clean your snail. Isn't that so easy? So when next you want to eat snail and you're worried about cleaning it, now you know how to clean it. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed till I see you next time. I love you. Bye.